Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make these green bananas kebabs. So let's get straight into it and let me show you how to do them. So here in my bowl I already have 6 of the bananas that I already cooked and everything. I just boiled them in some water, and as you can see here, this is how they look when they're green, and in the bowl this is how it looks when they are fully cooked and everything. Again, I have 6 in the bowl. Alright, so now I'm going to proceed to peel them and basically clean off any of the substance on the bananas themselves. So here I go. Shout out to Trini boy. He tried my last vegan recipe with the cabbage patties. Really good. So if you try my recipe or this one in particular, you could send me a picture on Facebook if that's easier for you. Send me a message, direct message, and you could send a picture there. I'm also on Instagram, and I'm also on, well, again, like I said, Facebook. So you can send your pictures there and I will share it with my viewers. So let me continue with this recipe. So I'm almost done here peeling all the cooked bananas. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm using a potato masher to mash them up. If you have a food processor, better yet, you'll be done within maybe a minute or maybe a minute or less than a minute. All right. So after I'm done doing this, mashing the green bananas, also known as green fig in Trinidad and Tobago, I'm going to season them. I have 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, that's ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste. I'm doing the lazy way. You could chop up your onion and parsley, whatever you want to add to season your the green fig. So I'm using my hands to mix everything together. This is the best way for me, so I know that all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Next, I'm going to take a bit of the mixture, and as you can see here, I'm just shaping it into a ball, and then basically shaping it out to like a sort of basically flatten it out like how you're seeing I'm doing here. Did you notice I didn't use any flour? Amazing, no flour for this recipe, gluten-free, vegan baby. So I'll continue doing this and use up all the mixture that I have here in the bowl. I invite you to check out my playlist with all the recipes that I have using this ingredient, green fig, also known as green banana. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Okay, so I'm all done. So next step is to put them to fry. So I have in my frying pan all nice and hot with some oil. So I'm just basically going to put the kebabs into the hot oil and allow them to fry maybe about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are golden brown. Okay folks, that's it for today. Quite nice and simple, very easy to do. And I love working with green fig. You know, it really amazes me the type of recipes you can make with this ingredient. Green fig is very good for you. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.